Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we have the Leverkusen home shirt, and this is for the 25-26 season, and this was purchased from a new seller, kitsock.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. It's the first item that I've reviewed from them. I've got two of them shirts to review, so we purchased 3 in total. Delivery timescales for kitsock.com, the standard between 10 to 15 days is what I would go for. I think these arrived in about 12 days, so pretty much on point. The shirt itself comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, it does have the usual health warnings. I will leave a link, as I say, to Kitsock in the description of this video, along with a DHGate link as well. I don't know if I've actually seen Leverkusen items on there. If it is from a usual seller, I will leave it to that. If not, it will just be to some generic item. If you do enjoy the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, by all means, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I say, this is the Leverkusen shirt for the 25-26 season from a new seller, kitsock.com. So make sure you watch the whole video to see what the item is like, and yeah, check out their website. Right, let's get this bag open and take a look at this shirt. Okay, we're at the front of the shirt. It's just got like a standard sort of ring neck collar, which is quite nice thickness. Now, New Balance shirts, they're always ones where the graphic, whether it's because it's got a lot of this close stitching, you just get a lot of this like white around it. We'll take a look when we get on the inside, but maybe I think New Balance ones, if there is a player spec version, it'd probably be a lot better. But yeah, I think it's because of how close the embroidery is. Leverkusen badge been embroidered on. Quite a large badge, but it does feel, to be fair, that it's gone on quite well. Wow, sponsor, that's amazing. Cannot even feel that at all. I'm just having a closer look. It is vinyled on, but you cannot feel a single thing on that. That is so close to the material. Just as I do that, that design looks absolutely fantastic. Love the red and black. It actually looks like there's a cross in there. At the bottom, we have the New Balance Authentic Licensed product, and that's vinyled on. And then over this side, we have NB Dry. And again, that's vinyled, heat pressed on. Just putting my hand under it. Being a darker shirt, you can make out my hand under there. But the material, though, feels really, really nice. Nice and luxurious. And you've got these little slants at the side. But that's the front of our shirt. I'll zoom out and give you the full look. We'll flip it around now and take a look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we're on to the reverse of the shirt. And the collar line just continues around standard. No, there is some additional padding around the collar line there actually. The joint starts about there and ends around about there. There's a loose cotton there actually, look where it is. We've got Verk Self, probably butchered that. But that is vinyled onto the back of the shirt. Obviously no name and number on the back of this one. It was purchased a couple of weeks back, to be fair now, before I've got to recording the video. And we've got like an upward arrow there in silver like vinyl. Don't know whether that would be to point to where the name and number is, but obviously like we said, we haven't got that. And actually I think there is like a slight flap on the back, so this bit is lower on the front. So we did have those cuts that I showed you there, but yeah, it goes more down at the reverse side. But there's the back of the shirt. I do love that pattern. Let's flip it inside out now and take a look at that as well. Okay, we're now onto the inside of the shirt, and you get this standard New Balance Elite Fit tag. And there's the barcode information, size XL. The badge, so there, has been embroidered on. A nice little join there for where it's been put on. And here's the New Balance. So yeah, it's because the stitching is so close together, it just looks a little bit wonky at places. You've got the card through there as well. If that doesn't come out, then my recommendation is just to put some lukewarm water on it. Sponsor, I said, absolutely fantastic on the outside, and to be fair, on the inside as well. That's absolutely amazing. Stitching all looks good under there. Nice strong join. Over to this side, and again good stitching. Actually, if I go down to the bottom there, you can see what I was saying about the reverse side of the flap, that part is lower down than this part. If I put my hand under it, you can't really see through it that well. The join stitching looks good, and on that side it looks good as well. So there's the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Let's take a look at the other side too. Okay, the final part of the inside of the shirt now. Oh, that's a bit lopsided. Thankfully that's only noticeable on the inside. We've got the New Balance size XL. This is like a fan version, so XL will fit absolutely fine. Push it in, you can see the outline of the badge, but nothing to really show that that's what it is. So although it is relatively see-through, it's not too bad. We have our washing instructions here. The recommendation is to do the now shirt inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, just let it hang dry. Never put them in a tumble dryer. If you put them in a tumble dryer, things like this, where it's just been vinyled on, these will peel off. Any of the creases that you see, they will come off once the shirt has been worn or washed. Hemline at the bottom looks perfect. Good bit of stitching there. So that's the first, well not the first, the final part of the inside of this shirt completed. A really, really nice one. I do like this one. And there we have it, our Bayer Leverkusen shirt for the 25-26 season from a new seller, kitsock.com. As said at the start, all of this information for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHGate link for my usual seller. Timescales for delivery, my first order, but it's about 12 days, so it's in between that 10 to 15 bracket that I always mention. And again, on this side you can see what I was saying earlier about the flap at the bottom being slightly lower on the reverse side. But as a first item from this seller, cannot fault it. Communications has been fantastic, timescales for delivery fantastic, so yeah, definitely will be trying them again. I've got 2 more shirts coming up on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and check back for when they go live, and you can see what the quality is of those ones as well. So if you have enjoyed the video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Have you used this seller? Are you going to use them? Let me know below. As we give you that final look at the Bayer Leverkusen shirt for the 25-26 season. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.